next evolution of the KTM 790 Duke is currently in its final stages of development. Images of pre-production prototype from the upcoming 790 generation show that KTM's engineers are largely sticking to the proven formula of the current model. Visually, the new generation has been brought into line with its larger siblings. The front end adopts KTM's latest family design, featuring a distinctive 3D-style headlight. A newly shaped fuel tank and slim side panels further reinforce the resemblance to the 990 Duke. Despite the updated styling, the new bodywork is wrapped around a largely familiar frame carried over from the current model. At first glance, the LC8C parallel twin engine appears largely unchanged, suggesting performance figures similar to the outgoing version. The current 790 Duke produces 105 horsepower and 87 newton-meters of torque at 8,000 RPM, and comparable output can be expected from the new model. The rear swing arm and wheels on the prototype also seem to be largely unchanged. One of the more obvious updates is the exhaust system. A new, larger volume silencer replaces the compact unit used on the current generation. The rear subframe has also been redesigned, and the rear shock absorber appears to have been revised as well. In addition, the bike is fitted with new brakes, which have recently been tested on several KTM middleweight models and appear to replace the current J1 setup. The rider's posture seen on the test bike points to revised ergonomics, while the cockpit retains the 5-inch TFT display. Based on the overall state of the prototype, KTM's engineers seem to have completed the bulk of the development work, indicating that the new 790 Duke is not far from production readiness.